Welcome to our channel. Today we venture into the intricate and often unseen world of plant nutrition. Just as we need air to breathe, plants require nitrogen to thrive. It is the building block of their being, essential for the creation of chlorophyll, the pigment that paints leaves green and enables them to harness the sun's energy. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of nitrogen and its profound impact on plant life. Our exploration into the world of plant nutrition begins with a method as old as agriculture itself, the utilization of animal manures. Cow manure provides a balanced blend of nutrients, enriching the soil and improving its structure. Poultry manure offers a more concentrated dose of nitrogen, but requires careful handling to avoid high ammonium levels. Horse manure, a slower-acting provider of nitrogen, enhances soil texture, creating an ideal environment for root development and water retention. These natural fertilizers are vital for sustainable agriculture. Imagine a bustling metropolis, teeming with microscopic life, all working in concert to break down organic matter. This is the world of compost. It's a dynamic, ever-changing environment where every tiny organism plays a crucial role in transforming waste into valuable nutrients. Compost, often referred to as black gold by gardeners, is a testament to nature's remarkable ability to recycle and regenerate. This nutrient-rich material is the result of organic matter breaking down over time, creating a powerful soil amendment that can revitalize even the most depleted soils. The rich, earthy matter improves soil structure, creating air pockets that allow roots to breathe and water to penetrate deeply. These air pockets are essential for root health, as they provide the necessary oxygen for roots to thrive and grow robustly. This improved drainage helps to prevent waterlogging, safeguarding your plants from root rot. Well-drained soil ensures that plants receive the right amount of moisture without the risk of drowning, promoting healthier growth and more resilient plants. Moreover, compost fosters a thriving ecosystem of beneficial microbes, converting nutrients into forms readily absorbed by plants. These microbes play a vital role in maintaining soil health, breaking down organic matter, and releasing nutrients slowly over time, ensuring a steady supply for your plants. From the depths of the ocean comes a potent elixir for plant growth fish emulsion. This liquid fertilizer, derived from fish byproducts, offers a readily available source of nitrogen, fueling rapid and robust plant development. Fish emulsion delivers a concentrated dose of marine-derived nourishment directly to your garden. Its rapid uptake by plants makes it ideal for giving your leafy greens a quick boost or invigorating flowering plants during their blooming season. Always dilute it according to the instructions to avoid overwhelming your plants. Chapter 4. Blood meal, a nitrogen powerhouse. Blood meal, a dried and powdered form of blood, holds an exceptionally high concentration of nitrogen. It acts as a potent stimulant, encouraging vigorous leaf growth and a vibrant green coloration. However, this concentrated power demands respect and careful application. Over-application can lead to nitrogen burn, damaging your plants. Incorporate blood meal sparingly, allowing it to slowly release its nitrogen bounty and fuel your plant's growth. Chapter 5. Urea, a synthetic nitrogen source. Urea, a synthetic fertilizer, boasts an unparalleled concentration of nitrogen, typically around 46%. Its high nitrogen content makes it a popular choice for large-scale agriculture and for gardeners seeking a significant nitrogen boost. Unlike the slow release of nitrogen from organic sources, urea's nitrogen is readily available, making it susceptible to loss through volatilization or leaching. To maximize its effectiveness, urea should be incorporated into the soil carefully, ensuring it reaches the root zone. Chapter 6. Ammonium nitrate, a dual-action fertilizer. Ammonium nitrate delivers a 1-2 punch of nitrogen in two readily available forms, ammonium and nitrate. This dynamic duo provides plants with immediate access to nitrogen, fueling rapid growth and a quick green-up. Ammonium nitrate is particularly beneficial in early spring when soil temperatures are cool and microbial activity is still sluggish. As with all concentrated fertilizers, it's crucial to apply ammonium nitrate judiciously. Chapter 7. Alfalfa meal, a gentle giant of soil enrichment. Alfalfa meal, derived from dried and ground alfalfa plants, offers a gentle yet persistent approach to nitrogen enrichment. Alfalfa has a unique partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that reside in its root nodules. When incorporated into the soil, alfalfa meal slowly releases its nitrogen bounty, providing a sustained source of nourishment for your plants. Alfalfa meal's benefits extend far beyond nitrogen. Chapter 8. Soybean meal, a nutrient-rich legacy of legume power. Soybean meal, derived from the crushed remains of soybeans after oil extraction, stands as a testament to the remarkable ability of legumes to enrich the soil. This byproduct is not just a waste material, it is a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform the health of your garden. Like alfalfa, soybeans harbor nitrogen-fixing bacteria in their root systems, drawing nitrogen from the air and converting it into a plant-available form. These nodules are tiny factories working tirelessly to improve soil fertility. This nitrogen, along with other essential nutrients, is slowly released as the soybean meal breaks down in the soil. The gradual release ensures that plants receive a steady supply of nutrients over time, promoting sustained growth. Soybean meal's slow-release nature makes it ideal for long-season crops or for improving overall soil fertility. Whether you are growing vegetables, flowers, or even trees, soybean meal can provide the essential nutrients needed for robust growth and bountiful harvests. Chapter 9. Green manures, nature's living fertilizer factories. Green manures are grown directly in the garden bed and then tilled under. Imagine a field of lush green clover or vibrantly flowering vetch, their roots teeming with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These plants capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into a plant-available form, enriching the soil for future plantings. When tilled under, green manures decompose, releasing their stored nitrogen and other nutrients, improving soil structure and suppressing weeds. Chapter 10. Nitrate of soda instant nitrogen boost. Nitrate of soda, a naturally occurring mineral, offers an instant boost of readily available nitrogen. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners looking to quickly improve the health and vigor of their plants. Unlike some nitrogen sources that require microbial action, nitrate of soda delivers nitrogen directly to plant roots, allowing for rapid uptake and a quick green-up. This direct delivery system ensures that plants can immediately start benefiting from the added nutrients. This rapid response makes nitrate of soda valuable for addressing nitrogen deficiencies quickly, or giving plants an extra boost during critical growth stages. Whether your plants are in the early stages of growth or need a mid-season pick-me-up, nitrate of soda can be a game-changer. Careful application and watering practices can help ensure that this valuable nitrogen source reaches your plants and minimizes its environmental impact. By following best practices, you can maximize the benefits of nitrate of soda while being mindful of the environment. Chapter 11. Seaweed Fertilizers, a gift from the ocean depths. Seaweed fertilizers derived from harvested and processed seaweed offer a gentle yet effective way to nourish your garden. The nitrogen in seaweed is released slowly as the seaweed breaks down, providing a sustained source of nourishment for your plants. Seaweed fertilizers are also rich in trace minerals, growth hormones, and beneficial microbes that can enhance plant health and resilience. These marine algae hold a treasure trove of nutrients essential for plant growth. Chapter 12. Nitrate of potash, a balancing act for optimal growth. Nitrate of potash combines the power of nitrogen with the essential nutrient potassium. This dynamic duo supports not only leafy growth but also flower and fruit development and overall plant health. Potassium plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, water regulation, and disease resistance, Nitrate of potash delivers both nitrogen and potassium in readily available forms, allowing for rapid uptake by plants. Ultra, a greener tomorrow, the power of nitrogen in your hands. We've explored the diverse sources of nitrogen from nature's recyclers to human ingenuity. Nitrogen is the lifeblood of the plant world, driving lush foliage, vibrant blooms, and bountiful harvests. By understanding nitrogen's role and choosing the right fertilizers, we ensure the health of our plants and the vitality of our planet.